yeah, we got us a real mess. But hey, won't be too bad. We got a few things to fix. Everything in front of the motor there has been damaged. Old pan is wiped off. We got cross members wiped out. We got tank messed up. We got the bunk messed up a little bit. Not too bad. It will be fixable. Air cleaner, of course. Mirror brackets. We got steering box. It busted the shaft off. Of course, got to change the whole front end here because it's all busted up. Yeah, I go to a salvage yard and see if we can get one of them. This is a 2019. Getting a new hood from Jones. We already have that. That's not bad. A few small pieces here. These, I think we can go and get new pieces bent up and put a new step on it, and I think we should be good. And of course, this was the exhaust. It got ripped off. The exhaust bracket, and we're gonna do it with that junk. That's not the way we want to do it. Other than that, on this side, this panel is messed up. That's easy fix. The deck plate, I don't think was messed up in the wreck, but I could be wrong. He didn't say whether it was or not, but the fenders are messed up. Got a few more things. The back end is messed up, but I do not know if that was in shipping or if that got messed up in the wreck. I think that was, not sure. Fenders, gonna totally redo that. Got this front end up here. Of course, we're back to the same side, so yeah. We got a few parts on the inside. It's a really nice interior in this one. I love this interior. Of course, we got parts back there. So yeah, we are gonna get at it. Let's see what we can get done here. Tear what we can apart today and get some new parts ordered. We got a radiator being built for it because this was turned up a little bit. So we are going to get a custom radiator built, new intercooler built for it, and yeah, we're going to see what else we need. So we'll put you on time lapse, see what happens. I'm pretty sure a turbo, you should not be able to do that. I wonder if freely it spins. Nope, no spin. Okay, I'll take that loose after we get the radiator out. One thing at a time. Well, that came out easy. I think looking at it, all we need is these pieces. This still looks good. Yeah. So you can unbolt it. Unbolt it. And then we need new ones of these pieces. Yeah, should be pretty easy. Okay, take the fan off now. Now we're gonna work on taking the turbo off. It shouldn't be too hard, just take this loose and this front snail will come off. And then we'll probably let this on there just so it's not open while it sits here. And he got a new one. And I'm not sure if it's on the inside or if he still has it at his house. So we have to get some of them parts, but take the dryer off. A few things. So yeah, back at it. Okay, gotta take that box cover off right here so we can get this piece off because it's bolted 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that you can't see. And then it had a bracket, 2 brackets back here that were bolted there and there. And it's stainless, so you can't just bend it out of the way. Then we're gonna take that off. Take them off because I think I can get new ones made of them. Just has an L on the bottom. I can burn some out of the burn table. And then that box should be good again. We're gonna get some stainless covers and stainless steps. Be pretty cool. And then, like I said, take that off, and the bracket behind that is bent. Can't see from here, but it's all bent up, so we have to take that off. And then we have to take this off and this off, all the way back there. And I think we're going to take that off because I think he wants it painted. So we're going to take that off, and then we're going to go and try and build a new piece out of aluminum and then paint it. And then put our stainless back on the bottom. Look much better, because see, stainless paint, that don't look good. So get new ones of them made. Got new ones of these coming. Get new ones of these for the other side. New ones of these because it's all messed up. And new light. That's it for that. This up here, something's a little messed up there, and then of course where the mirror got ripped out, it's a little bit messed up. So I'll have to take that off and see what we can do about that. So now we're gonna get back to taking this back off. What a pain. Okay, so we don't get confused whenever we put this back together, because this is all messed up. We're gonna have to get a new one. Green goes here, orange goes here. There's 2 lines that come into the governor, which I think that's these. Let me back it up a little. Okay, that's this one of these. This goes here, and then this goes here, and we have one more that's hiding from us, and I don't know where it went. So we'll have to find that whenever we get a little bit farther into it. I don't know. These lines got to be changed because see how they're all not good. So, but we'll take them off so that we know for now how they're supposed to go back together. Then whenever we go back together, we'll take all the line off, run new stuff all the way from wherever it comes from, so it's all new and right. So, but we need to find the other one of these. But that won't be too hard. So we'll get back at it. Okay, the reason I just did that is because all these lines you have to have hooked up right, and I don't want to get them confused. So we are going to, there we go, going to leave it hang just like that. Take this off because see how this bracket is bent? It's supposed to come straight out. This got to come off. This will come with the new dryer, and we'll get a new bracket made, or get a new bracket, I'm not sure whichever's cheaper, and replace this. But for now, we'll let it hang there because it's a lot easier to figure out where everything goes, and you just take it off, put it right back on. So let's take this off now, take these two bolts out, and then we can take, then we don't have to take this apart. Then we can take these off, get new ones of these, and we'll be good to go. And then we'll work on taking this off, and probably this all the way back there.